Okay, minute 15 to go in the first heat. Just put.
That's like your song. Nice job.
1 minute to go in the first heat. First race of the new year. The leader right now is Turbo Chris from Nicky Lauda, then Stud, Reckless Eric, Dr. Bob, Prius Power, The Nose, and 0.8. Coming down to 30 seconds. We're down to 10. 2, 1. That's the end of the first heat. If you were in lane number 2, put your car in the infield where you came out. You'll come back in after 1 heat.
No, 4 goes to 2.
It's a sit out. 4 goes, you just keep on moving down till you fall off the table.